Just back out at the Duchess design that's at Brookfield. So this is a modified Duchess. It's on an elevated, well, it's on a sloping site with a articulated slab in between. We've got Tane from DC House. He's built quite a few houses with us. Just going to show us how we put on the Klip Lok sheeting. So this is Monument Black Klip Lok from Lysarts. The clients opted to put some extra insulation on. So this is a Mentalin 7, which is basically like
it's a thermal break wrap. So what we do is we put that on as our sarking, our builder's wrap, and we seal it off. Our damp course around the windows, that gets taped down, so any water that comes in around the sides comes out the bottom. We've got a just a kick flashing that we use. These all get put on metal battens, and then we've got a clip system behind the Klip Lok, so it's quite easy to do yourself. So, I'll grab a so pretty much there's your Lysart Klip Lok system. So these clips pretty much just go on here, direct fix behind, of course. They just clip, screw, 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 and then they clip together in rows, and then you just come along with your sheet, you just punch it straight on. The good thing about doing the vertical cladding is it's got a longer span, so you only need about 3 or 4 clips depending on your height. I think the max span's about 1500, so you don't have to do too many. It gives a cavity off the frame as well. So you got your batten, you got a cavity, and then your Klip Lok, and the ribs also make it breathe as well. So it breathes at the top, breathes at the bottom. And yeah, once you put it all on, you come through and do all your flashings around your windows after.